Hello, dear students and friends. Welcome to Billion Hope. This is your mentor, Sandy, bringing you AI for real impact. CPUs, GPUs, TPUs, NPUs, ASIC, and we are confused. Let me remove that confusion in just 5 minutes. So, today we are going to once and for all clarify the differences between the various kinds of chips which we come across in day to day discussions on AI and while reading media reports, and we tend to get confused. At least for the non technical people, this can become quite challenging. Welcome to the playlist Long Story Short, and let's remove this confusion once and for all. When there was no AI, no deep learning, nothing, the only chip known to man was either the potato chip or the CPU. The central processing unit was basically the one omnipresent chip for every computer, every laptop, every processing device. But then came the era of deep learning. In deep learning, you have massive artificial neural networks where an input has to be processed to give you a certain output. And that processing across tens of thousands of neurons and billions of parameters requires matrix multiplications, parallel multiplication, very small multiplications, but millions of them to be done in a fraction of a second. And for this, the CPU doesn't help because the central processing unit, CPU, is built for serial processing, one after the other after the other. The neural networks and deep learning, which is part of machine learning, part of AI, will simply collapse if you do a serial processing. You need to do massive parallel processing. The graphics processing unit GPU, invented by NVIDIA, and the TPU, tensor processing unit, which is an ASIC for Google, they end up doing this job beautifully. So, as you can see, we have an AI task at hand, and you have a massive neural network. All our chatbots are basically neural networks. If you feed them to a CPU, the processing just cannot happen. It will simply collapse. But a GPU graphics or a TPU tensor, which is nothing but a multi-dimensional matrix, they can do this multiple parallel processing of matrix multiplication much, much faster. And that is why this efficient GPU and TPU came into picture. So that is the difference. Basically, you should try to remember the difference between just 5 things. Everything else is derived as a smaller or a toned down version of these. The first, as I said, was CPU, which is the omnipresent chip everywhere in every laptop, every computer. This is where the whole computer revolution actually began. But in artificial intelligence and deep learning networks and ANN especially, CPUs are of no use. So they are only used for the initial phase. If you can create an AI pipeline or a data pre-processing, there CPUs can be of some use, but not for the actual training of a neural network or the inferencing part. Inferencing is when you and me interact, a human being interacts with an AI system and it creates intelligence on the spot, intelligence quote unquote, that is inferencing. So CPUs are useless there. GPUs invented initially in the fine format by NVIDIA, basically gaming processors. They were adapted by NVIDIA for all the neural networks. So GPUs are wonderful units for parallel processing. And most of the simple tasks can be easily handled by them. Google went for its own customized ASIC or ASIC, application specific integrated circuit, which was a tensor processing unit. And it was in November 2025 that Google came out with the latest suite of Gemini and Nano Banana Pro and all. And the TPU servers, farms, data centers are now being given to many other companies, which are now showing a lot of interest in buying or renting out Google's cloud capabilities for AI TPUs also. That would be a direct challenge to NVIDIA. And then NPU, neural processing unit. So what exactly is this? This is for low power operations. Low power. For example, in a mobile handset, you wish to do edge computing for AI. Maybe you would want to go for an NPU. An ASIC is nothing but application specific. So TPU would be an ASIC for Google. If you want to know more about it, I have given more information here. So from today onwards, do not be spooked by these terms. CPU is the common chip present in all computers and laptops and mobile phones in general where computing is needed. GPUs are for AI made by NVIDIA parallel processing. TPUs are specific ASIC used and popularized by Google, and the neural things are used in edge computing devices, etc. That's it. There's nothing more. More information in terms of FPGA or data processing DPU or intelligence processing IPU or vision processing. These are all nothing but spin-offs from the fundamental configuration. You don't need to know much more, but even a non-tech professional should know at least this. Go ahead, check out our offerings on the Billion Homes Academy, subscribe to our YouTube channel, the WhatsApp channel, and make sure that you have taken subscription of the free newsletter. This was your mentor, Sandy, bringing you here for real impact. See you soon.